Say this is called workspace. This is called workspace. This is called workspace. Okay, workspace means your projects are going to be stored in a one folder. That location is called workspace. That location is called workspace. Okay. Now I explained how to download Eclipse, how to install Eclipse, how to open perspective, and how to open view, how to close welcome file, how to close perspective. This all I explained last class. Okay. Now today, how to write JDBC program in Eclipse, you are going to see. How to write JDBC program in Eclipse, you are going to see. Now, this is perspective. Just 1 minute. Now you check it out. Is it clear now? Is my voice is clear? See. So only 1-2 members problem may be your side. Your side also you have to check it out. Now right. See. How to open Eclipse, how to open perspective, how to open view. These all I explained. So here window menu, perspective, open perspective, other. If you click, it shows list of perspectives. It shows list of perspectives. Java perspective, Java EE perspective. We record these two. Java perspective and Java EE perspective. Perspective means a layout of views and editors. Already notes are given. A perspective is a views and editors. Okay. Java perspective, Java EE perspective. When Java required, when Java EE required, also notes are given. Core Java programs, which one required? Java perspective. Advanced Java JDBC program, Java only. Next topic, solids, Java EE. Okay. Eclipse also, two softwares are there. Eclipse for Java, Eclipse for Java EE. You have to install Eclipse for Java EE. You are not getting this perspective means that is not Eclipse for Java EE. Suppose in your Eclipse this is not there. That is only core Java JDBC is suitable. Next topic not possible. That's what better to go for Java EE. Eclipse for Java EE perspective. You have to download. You have to install. Okay. Now here those are so many tools are there. Development security operations tools. Those are learning full stack Java. Already given content in first class in core Java. Like Java development security operation modules are there, no? Like Maven, Gradle, Git, GitHub. These all comes under so many tools here. Those all you will learn after advanced Java. Okay. Now here how to write JDBC program we'll see. Now this is Java EE perspective. This Java EE perspective present not required. For JDBC Java perspective. How to close perspective also given. Here just right click, close. Okay. After this, window, perspective, open perspective, other. Select Java, open. Okay. Now this is Java perspective. Okay. Now how to write JDBC program? I'll explain. How to write JDBC program. See, first a connection establishment program. How to establish the connection between Java application and database. Okay. Now, how to write JDBC program? We'll see. Now, programs no need to write. Already you have seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 programs you studied. 5 programs. First, one program with a type 2 driver connection establishment. One more program, type 4 driver connection establishment. Next 3 programs, one DDL query, one DML query, one DQL query. Total 5 programs you studied. Okay. Now in Eclipse, how to write? Just note down. Steps to write JDBC program in Eclipse. 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 Now, like first step, click on file menu. Click on file menu. Click on file menu. New, click on new, click on Java project. Click on new. Click on Java project. Type project name. Example, JDBC. Click on file menu, click on new, click on Java project, type project name, example JDBC. Click on file menu, click on new, click on Java project, type project name, example JDBC. Say I'll type here project name JDBC. Okay. Here these all default settings will be there. Don't do any changes. If you want to learn, read each and everything, you can understand. It is nothing. Say what is first one? Use default location. In this location, JDBC programs are going to be stored. So C drive, users folder, admin, username, Eclipse workspace, JDBC. Later, where is your program? If you want to see, you can see this location. Okay. And if you want, click on browse button. If you deselect this one, browse button enabled. And use default means this one. You click on browse button, you can change the location also. After that, with Java runtime environment, by default, whatever is installed in my system, that is came. Java SE 17. That is only automatically comes continue. Here, use project folder as a root for source and classes. Create separate folders for sources and classes. Generally, what will happen while developing projects? Java file separate, dot class file separate, we have to maintain. That's what it will create separate folders. Dot Java separate, dot class separate. If you want both in a one place, you select this radio button. These all whatever is coming by default, you continue that one only. Don't do any changes. If you want, you can read, you will understand. Okay. At last here, click on next button. Click on here. Click on next button. See, dot Java files are going to be stored one location. Dot class files are going to be stored in one location. After that, click on finish button. Here module if you want, create. Otherwise, you can leave it. Don't create. Write it. Click on next button. Click on finish button. If you want to create a module, click on yes button. Otherwise, click on don't create button. Modules, Java 9 feature, one module system is there. That is like a package. All packages you can group together in one module. If required, create, otherwise don't leave it. Click on don't create button. So first click on file menu, click on new, click on Java project, click on type project name, example JDBC, click on next button, click on finish button, click on don't create button. Okay. After this, see, you will get a here JDBC in a package explorer. Now, right click on JDBC in a package explorer. 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 See, right click on, click on new, click on class. Click on new, click on class. Click on new, click on class. Say right click, new, class. Type class name, example connection demo. Type class name, example connection demo. Select main method. Select main method. See, already recorded videos we shared in Google Classroom. You can check it out. Recorded videos I shared, JDBC notes also is shared, and the diagrams also is shared. Okay. Even Oracle 11G Express Edition link also is shared. They can check it in Google Classroom. These all I shared. Okay. But further, no recordings. Further, no recordings. Okay. See here, click select main method, click on finish button. Click on finish button. Click on finish button. See, if I click on finish, here editor comes. Here editor comes. I'll give shortcut keys, how to increase font, how to decrease font, everything. See, like this, package JDBC, public class connection demo, main method. Like this, we got it. Now, for loading a driver, what we have tried? For name method. For name method in which class? Class. Is it instance method or class method? Class method. How to call? Class dot for name. Class dot for name. What is the driver class name? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. After this, connection establishment purpose, which method you have to call? Get connection. Get connection method in which class? Driver manager. Driver manage, is it instance method or class method? Class method. How to call? Driver manager dot get connection. What is the return type of that method? Connection. What do you have to write? Connection con equal to driver manager dot get connection. See, here almost all methods by default it comes like this. Just you can select. Now, how many parameters? Three parameters. Which type? String type. Okay, three string type. That's what double quotes I'm writing. Now, first string. What is the first string? URL. See here, help. String URL, string user, string password. Like that, everything help will be there. If you place the dot, all methods also shows. Okay. URL, user, password. What is the URL? JDBC colon, Oracle colon, 10 colon, at localhost colon, 1521 colon, XC. Here, what is JDBC? Protocol. What is this Oracle? Sub protocol. What is then? Logical name. What is this localhost? Domain name. If the database installed in same computer, localhost. If it install other computer, computer name. What is 1521? Port number. What is XC? Service ID. What is second parameter? System. What is system? Username. Next, manager. It is password. With this connection established. Okay. Now with this connection established, one message. System.out.println. Okay. System.out.println. No. These are all shortcut keys. Okay. Connection established successfully. See. Connection established successfully. Okay. Now it will throw exception, and also connection we have to import. For this one also on shortcut key is there. I'll give list. See all imported, whatever required. With only shortcut key imported. Now try catch blocks required. No? Try catch blocks also on shortcut key. Try catch blocks also on shortcut key. Over. Try catch block also completed. See, I didn't import. With shortcut key imported. I didn't write try catch block. With shortcut key only try catch block. I didn't write system.out.println. With the try catch block only shortcut key is only system.out. Even dot get connection. This parameter everything automatically comes. This is a program. Now, if you want to run this program, say right click, run as Java application. Now this is our program. Okay. Okay. Now what we are getting error? Class not found exception. Class path setting required. But here how to set the class path? First of all, you written these all steps. No. After that, only one line write it. Write program in editor. That's it. Program no need to write, already written. Write program in editor. Program in editor. Write program in editor. So for writing JDBC program, these are the steps I given. Now how to add jar file? Write it. To add jar file, Java archive. First, right click on JDBC in a package explorer. Right click on JDBC in a package explorer. Right click on JDBC in a package explorer. See here, JDBC, right click on build path, click on configure build path. Note, click on build path. Click on configure build path. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. See, right click on build path. Click on configure build path. Here, click on libraries. Click on libraries tab. Click on libraries tab. Click on class path. Click on add external jar files. Click on add external jars button. Click on add external jars button. Select the jar file. Example, OJDBC 6_g.jar. If it is Oracle 18, 19, 21 or OJDBC 8_g.jar. Click on apply and close button. Click on apply and close button. See, right click on JDBC in a package explorer, click on build path, click on configure build path, click on libraries tab, click on class path, click on add external jars button. Select the jar file. Example, OJDBC 6_g.jar file. If it is Oracle 19, Oracle 21, go for OJDBC 8_g. After that, click on apply and close button. Is it over? See here. Click on class path, click on add external jars. Where is a jar file? Already you've seen C drive, Oracle XE, app, Oracle product 11.2.0 server, JDBC lib here. Like this, you have to select. After that, click on apply also, otherwise apply and close directly. Apply and close. Now, if you run, see right click. Now, right click, run as Java application. Which file? That is connection demo. Directly, if you click this one, this option, you won't ask. I clicked on folder. That's what it is asking. Okay, connection demo. Okay. See, connection established successfully. Now write it last one. To run the above application, right click on JDBC in a package explorer. Click on run as. Click on Java application. Select the file. Example, connection demo. Select the file. Example, connection demo. Now, is it over? Right click on JDBC in a package explorer, click on run as, click on Java application, select the file. Say right click, run as Java application. Select connection demo. This one, connection demo. Click on OK button. See, connection established successfully. Click on OK button. That's it. Suppose connection program this is only class path. So right click, build path, configure build path. Here libraries tab, class path, add external jars, select the jar file, click on open button. Okay. After that, click on apply and close button. Now this is one program. Now type 2 driver, type 4 driver, two connection programs are given. It is which program? Type 2 or type 4? Type 4. Type 2 is not required, leave it. Type 2. Okay. After that, how to create table you studied. How to insert record you studied. How to retrieve records from database also you studied. That program I'll show you. See again, how to do, just observe, no need to write notes. Right click, new class. Suppose select a program I want to execute. Select a demo. After that, main method, finish. See, after getting this one, what do you have to do? First loading a driver, class dot for name. See, just if you write a class dot, it shows a list of methods. See, for name method I selected. Here driver, Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Loading a class is over. Okay, loading a driver class is over. Next, connection con equal to driver manager dot. So here get connection. Three methods are there, overloaded. So we require these three parameters. So get connection. Here parameter string type. Say parameter string type. Here parameters also showing. What is that also showing? Okay, here JDBC colon Oracle colon 10 colon at localhost colon 1521 colon XE. It is URL. Username, system, password, manager. Okay. After this, with this connection established. Say remaining all automatically generated. These two lines only myself I written, you observe. In these two lines also dot for name, dot get connection also automatically came. Okay. Now if you want to retrieve data from database, select a query required. Select query DDL query or DML query or DQL query. DQL query, data query language. For data query language, if you want to execute method required or execute update required or execute query required. Execute query required. For calling execute query, which interface required? Statement or prepared statement or callable statement? Statement. Till I didn't explain prepared statement, callable statement. We required statement. For getting statement, which method you have to call? Which method? Create statement. Create statement method in which interface? Create statement method in which interface? Connection interface. Already we got a connection. With that connection, can I call? Yes. What we have to write? Statement STMT equal to connection reference dot create statement. Okay, this is create statement. Now after this, retrieving data from database, execute query. Execute query method return type is result set. Okay, result set. What we have to write? Result set rs equal to stmt dot execute query. Here query we have to write. What we have to write? Select star from student. Result set comes. Result set. From this result set, if you want to extract metadata, what is metadata first? Data about data. What is result set metadata? Data about result set. What is database metadata? Data about database. Okay. Now result set metadata we have to extract. For that, which method you have to call? Which method? Get metadata. Get metadata. That method in which interface? Result set. What do you have to write? Result set metadata. RM equal to rs dot get metadata. From this, how many columns are there? If you want to count, which method required? Get column count. Integer n equal to rm dot get column count. Now columns, if you want to print, how to print? For loop, integer I equal to 0 or 1? 1, because it is not array. I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. If you want to print column names, what is the method? Method name rm dot get column name. Get column name of I. So while printing, if you want to print a space /t. Okay. After this, column names are printed. After printing column names, next line, system dot out dot println. Okay, empty statement. It comes to next line. Next, if you want to print records, you have to move the cursor to next record until you get a false. What we have to write? While loop, rs dot next. If it is next record is there, it will move. If you want to print records, what you have seen already, with for loop also you can print. For loop also you can see, no? You have seen 3 different ways I taught. For integer I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus. Here, how to print? System dot out dot print rs dot get string of I. After that, plus /t. After this loop, new line. Okay. Now, these all errors are try catch blocks. These all errors are try catch blocks. Okay. Now, what you have to do is you have to select first of all here. Here all are imported. No, all are imported by default. Now, here you have to select the text whatever you want to place in the try catch block. I'll give shortcut keys list. Try catch, try multi catch, try with resource. 3 options are there. Whichever you want, you can select. I'll go for try multi catch. See, over. Now, if you want to run, so right click, run as Java application. Now, which program? Select a demo. Click on OK. OK. Now, it will display records. See, here records are displayed. Roll number, name, marks. These all records, whatever is there, it is displayed. So roll number 1, roll number 3, 9, these all we have. Okay. See, 1, 5, 3, 6, 7, 8. You can open SQL prompt. You can find out. Connect system manager. Select star from student. 1, 5, 3, 9, 6, 7, 8. See, 1, 5, 3, 9, 6, 7, 8. So all are displayed. Okay. Now, like this, you can write JDBC programs in Eclipse. Now, any program you can write. Okay. But here, some shortcut keys I'll explain. Shortcut keys. Okay. Now, shortcut keys how to write. Just write it. Shortcut keys. First, to increase the font size. To increase the font size. Say this font size, if you want to increase, you observe control plus. Say I'm increasing. If you want to decrease, control minus. Okay. Now write it. Control plus. Now I written control plus plus I written. That means control and plus only. Okay. Next. To decrease font size. To decrease the font size. That means control minus. Control minus. Control minus. So control plus to increase the font size. Control minus to decrease the font size. This plus is one more like adding. That means, okay. Now, to close the current window. Control W. To close the current window. Control W. To close the current window. Control W. See, here already two windows open. Connection demo, select demo. Okay, connection demo, select demo. Now, connection demo, select demo. Now, current window, select demo. See, control W, select demo closed. See, control W, connection demo also closed. Okay, here again I'll open. Now, both at a time if you want to close. To close all windows or current window, otherwise current editor. Window means again you may get a confusion, editor, or to close all editors. All editors. Control Shift W. Control Shift W. All windows closed. Control Shift W. All windows are closed. Whatever is open, all. To close all editors. Control Shift W. Just observe. Here already two windows open. Connection demo, editor, select demo. Control Shift W. See, all are closed. Okay. Suppose you observe here these many statements I'll remove. Okay. Now, if you want to import, say Control Shift O. Now, if any same class name or same interface name, two packages are there, it will ask. Say java.sql.statement, java.beans.statement. So statement interface available in two packages. That's what it is asking. Otherwise, it won't ask. Say all imported. So, and even suppose if I write here import java.util. something connection. Like suppose I'll write something collection. Actually, in this program that is not required. If I press Control Shift O, Unnecessary things will be removed. So necessary, whatever required, added. Whatever is not required, removed. That is called organizing. That is to organize import statements. To organize import statements. Control Shift O. Control Shift O. To organize import statements. Control Shift O. To organize import statements. Control Shift O. Is it over? See, suppose these alignments, say if it is, say one is like this, one is like this, one is like this, one is like this. If you write, if it is not in a proper format, say one line started here, one line started here, one line started here, one line started here, like this is there. Control Shift F, formatted. Okay. To format the text, Control Shift F. Control Shift F. Say here you are getting star symbol. What is the meaning of star? That is not saved. Okay. Now to save, Control S. So save current file. Control yes. To save all. To save all files. Control Shift yes. To save current file, Control S. To save all files, Control Shift yes. To save current file, Control S. To save all files, Control Shift yes. Is it over? See. I'll remove try catch. See. Select the text, whatever you want to place in try catch blocks. Alt Shift Z. Then try catch, try multi catch, try with a resource. You study all. Try multi catch. In which version came? More than one exception we can deal with single catch block. Which version introduced? Java 1.5, 1.7. This try with resource 1.7 only, but resource statement enhancements given in 1.9. Okay, try with resource. It is alternative to which concept? This core Java question, not advanced Java question. Try with resource. It is alternative to which concept? What is that? Finally block. Finally block is, finally block alternative concept. This is try with resource statement. Write it. To add try catch blocks. To add try and catch blocks. Select the text and press Alt Shift Z. Alt Shift Z. Alt Shift Z. To add try and catch blocks, select the text and press Alt Shift Z. To write system.out.println. sys out, type sys out and press control space bar. Type sys out and press control space bar. This is code assistant. Control space bar, many concepts possible. System.out.println, system.in.read, system.out.er.println, or main method, or for loop, or do while loop, everything. Control space bar, many things possible. Say control space bar. Now to display shortcut keys. So to display shortcut keys, also shortcut key is there. Okay. At least if you remember this one, it's enough. If you forget all, also nothing will happen. Okay. Last this one, remember. To display shortcut keys, also shortcut key is there. Control Shift L. Control Shift L. These all depends on practice, you'll remember. Otherwise, you'll forget. That's it. Very regular, we use this one only. There are hundreds of shortcuts. Hundreds of shortcuts are there. See? See? Control Shift L. Shortcuts. List of shortcut keys. How many are there? See? These many shortcut keys are there. Okay, all not required, because you know very well MS Word. MS Word also, how much part you know? 5%. It's enough. With 5% only you are doing MS Word, no? Like that only. Eclipse also complete, no need to learn. If you learn also, no use. In interview, no one will ask about Eclipse. They'll ask about Java. Remember. Okay. They may ask only one question. Do you know Eclipse? If you say yes, also nothing will happen. If you say no, also nothing will happen. Because with Eclipse knowledge, they won't give a job. That is IDE. Within a 1 day, 2 days, if you work hard, you'll get it. It is nothing. Based on Java knowledge, they'll recruit. Okay. Like this type of IDs also, many are there in the software industry. Different companies, different IDs they are using. So these many shortcut keys are there. These many shortcut keys. Okay. Depends upon practicing, automatically comes in your mind, that is, if you recall your subject. Now. Here. Alt Shift Z. Like this. Now, is it clear? These are the shortcut keys, very regular we use. It's enough, more than enough. Okay. Very regular we use only this one. Now, next programs we'll see. Suppose here already, you observe, here already total 7 records are there. 7 records. This rule number 3 marks I want to update. Rule number 3 marks I want to update. Here 50 marks are there. I want to make it 55. Now we have to write one SQL query, update query. How to write update query, we'll see now. See again, what you have to do? Right click, new class. File name, suppose update demo. Okay. Select the main method. Finish. This code is common for every day, every program. Class dot for name. Okay. Oracle.jdbc.driver.oracle driver. It is common. Next, connection. Con equal to driver manager dot get connection. Okay. JDBC colon Oracle colon thin colon at localhost. 1521:XE. Username system. Password manager. This is common. Next. Now, there are three statements. Statement, prepared statement, callable statement. Okay. What's the difference between statement, prepared statement, callable statement? Three statements are given. Statement, prepared statement, callable statement. What's the difference between statement, prepared statement, callable statement? To execute static SQL queries, which interface required? Statement. To execute dynamic SQL queries? Prepared statement. To execute PLSQL programs? Callable statement. Present you are learning is static SQL queries. Static SQL queries you are learning. Now it is also static SQL query statement. In that statement, three methods are given: execute, execute, update, execute query. Execute method suitable to execute. Execute method suitable to execute DDL queries. DDL full form? Data definition language. Examples of DDL: create, alter, drop, dash dash, etc. Execute update method suitable to execute DML queries. DML full form? Data manipulation language. Examples: insert, update, delete, dash dash. Okay. Next, execute query method suitable to execute DQL queries. DQL full form? Data query language. Example: select. But select is DML also called. Okay, I given separate here. Now update query. Update query, DDL query or DML query or DQL query? DML. That means which method record? Execute, update. The method in which interface? Statement. First of all, statement required. For getting statement, which method you have to call? Create statement. Create statement method in which interface? Connection. Already we got a connection. What do you have to write? Statement stmt equal to connection dot create statement. Okay. Next, stmt dot execute update. We have to write one query. We have to write update query. Say update table name student set marks equal to 55, where roll number equal to 3. So here you observe update. We are updating which table? Student table. In that marks column, where roll number equal to 3. So roll number 3 place marks I am updating. For updating record, this is a query. This is also one language. It is not, I am not writing my own words. It is also one language. Okay. That is you learn in Oracle class. Already those who are attending, learn. Those who didn't attend, compulsory learn Oracle. Compulsory one database knowledge is required. If you want to be in the software industry, one database knowledge is mandatory. That is best one Oracle for Java people. Okay. So update. We are updating which table? Student table. Which column? Set marks equal to 55. It is syntax. Okay. Where roll number equal to 3. Roll number 3 place marks updated. One message. Okay. One message like one record updated successfully. One record updated successfully. Over. For this, I'll write try catch blocks. I'll write try catch blocks. I'll go for try multi catch. Now it's over. Okay, writing program is completed. Now we can check. Right click, run as Java application. Update. It is not record. Update. Click on OK. See, one record updated successfully. You can check. See, previously roll number 3, previously 50 marks. Now 55 marks. Updated. No? This is a program to update. This program now here, if you write like this, it will take more time. Import statement only many lines it will take. That is the reason. This is, I'll make it a star. Then all. Okay. This comment not required, I'll remove. Okay. This comment not required, I'll remove. It's over. Write this program. Program to update record. Comes manually and so how to create table you studied, how to insert record you studied, how to retrieve data from database also you studied, how to update also you studied. Okay, very regular we use these queries. One more, I want to delete a record. I want to delete a record. In this program, what are the changes record? Delete query, is it DDL or DML or DQL? DML. Delete query is DML only, no? So it is also DML program. Only query we have to change. Remaining all same. Remaining all same, no change. Only we have to change query. Now you observe. Is it over? See. Here, just we need to change query. That's it. Suppose here already 3, 3, 6, 7 records are there. Suppose roll number 9 I want to delete. Roll number 9 I want to delete. What we have to write? Delete from student where roll number equal to 9. Over. One record deleted successfully. Over. See. Right click. Run as Java application. Update demo. Okay. See, one record deleted successfully. You can check whether deleted or not. You can check. See, roll number 9 deleted. Not there. Okay. Write it. Program to delete a record in a database. Program to delete a record in a database. Delete from student where roll number equal to 9. Program to delete a record in a database. Now, you have seen static SQL queries. You have seen static SQL queries. What are the queries you have seen? Create table, table name. Roll number, number 3. Name, varchar to 10. Next, marks. Number 3. Like this, you have seen first query. It is create query. What is number here? Number, varchar to, what are these? Data types. It is Oracle data type. Okay, Oracle data type. It is maximum 3 digits. Here maximum 10 characters. Maximum 3 digits. Okay. Now second query you have seen insert into student values like a roll number, name, marks. Like this you have seen. Third query select star from student. Like this you have seen. Fourth query today you have seen. Update student set marks equal to 55 where roll number equal to 3. Like this you have seen. Last you have seen delete from student where roll number equal to 9. Like this 5 programs you studied. Okay. In these 5 programs, this query, is it DDL or DML or DQL? What is DDL? This program you studied, no? DDL, any DDL query, that Java program is same. Okay. This program is DML or DDL or DQL? DML. That program is common to all DML queries. This is DQL. That program common to all DQL queries. You observe insert, update, delete. These 3 DML, no? But Java program, no changes as it is. These are called static queries, but dynamic SQL queries. Dynamic SQL queries means without values. Values you can pass later. But in this query, any values are there? Here values are there? No values. That is, you cannot make it dynamic. Okay. In this query, values are there? Yes. That is, you can make it dynamic. Dynamic outright say insert into student values. Here question mark, question mark, question mark. The values you can fill later. That is called dynamic. Suppose in this line any value is there? Any value is there? No. That is, you cannot make it dynamic. In this line values are there? Yes. Here also value is there. Here also value is there. That is, you can make it dynamic. Update student set marks equal to question mark, and where roll number equal to question mark. You can write. Here any dynamic, here any value is there? Yes. Here you can write question mark. Delete from student where roll number equal to question mark. It is called dynamic. But select query, if you want to write, you have to write like this. Select a star from student where roll number equal to question mark, or where marks are greater than or equal to question mark. Select query, many types you can write. Say select star from student where marks greater than 90, greater than 70, like this. Here question mark. So this select query, many types you can write, many types. Now here 5 queries I given. This is dynamic, not possible. This is I given dynamic. This is also like this, not possible, but like this possible. Like this, it is possible, it is possible. This type of queries, if you want to execute, statement interface required. This type of queries, if you want to execute, prepared statement interface required. First of all, write this all. Second, a database. In that situation, it is static record or dynamic record? It is dynamic. You are passing later. In the program, values will not be there. You are typing in HTML program. So in this situation, dynamic required. So in real-time projects, maximum times dynamic required. How to execute dynamic, we'll see in tomorrow class. Okay. How dynamic SQL